Okay, children, coming to the echo, children, we will discuss today about the echo. Echo, basics only, children. I'm telling basics, not beyond this. So, children, what is an echo? Means a reflection of sound. Reflection of sound after hitting an obstacle. Hitting an obstacle is called echo. Reflection of sound, children. Reflection of sound. Suppose, children, there is an obstruction here, like a rock or beginning. Here there is an observer. Here, children, there is an observer. He makes some noise, children. That noise will go here, hits it, and it will reach to his here. This is called echo. Means it is going D while going, while coming also D. Normally, what is speed, children? Speed is equal to distance by time. Children, normally speed is equal to distance by time. In echo, we will take speed of an echo. Children, in speed of an echo, how will we use while going D, while coming D. So echo formula is speed of echo formula is 2D by T is the formula. Children. In this very important question is there, children. What is the minimum distance a person should stand so that he can hear an echo? This is an important question. Very important question, children. What is minimum distance a person should stand? What is the minimum distance a person should stand from obstacle? What is the minimum distance from obstacle a person should stand from obstacle to hear echo? Children, to hear echo. This is a question they are asking many times. All of you use this formula, children. V is equal to 2D by T. Children, anyone know what is the velocity of sound in air, children?
It's
Approximately
340.
approximately 340, children. Some people will say 330, some people 331. Anything is okay, children. Whatever they give, you take. So 2 into dy. Here you should take 0.1. What is 0.1, sir? You will ask. 0.1 is called time, children. Persistence of hearing. 0.1 is called persistence of hearing. All of you see here, children. What is 0.1 is called means persistence of hearing. What is persistence of hearing means it is inability of our ear to distinguish two noises within 1/10 of second. Children, try to understand inability of our inability of our ear to inability of our ear to distinguish two sounds within 1/10 of second. Children, means if I talk anything before 1/10 of second, you can't distinguish them, children. Every sound should come after 0.1 second from me, then only you can understand different word. Each word I should talk after 0.1 second, children. If not, your ear cannot distinguish. That inability of our ear to distinguish two noise within 1/10 of second is called persistence. That I to take this here, children. 340 into 0.1 is 34, children. 34 is equal to D. Take 2 down, children. So D is equal to 17 meters. Minimum 17 meters a person should stand from obstacle to hear an echo. Very important, some children. Minimum 17 meters a person should stand from obstacle to hear a clear echo. This is the question, children. Okay, children. So basing on this, small numericals we will do, children. Small numericals. Then you will understand it clearly, children. Small numericals I will tell, children. So this is about echo. What is an echo? Reflection of sound is called an echo, children. Try to understand. Reflection of sound is called as an echo. So after hitting an obstacle, that you don't forget. Simply you will not get a reflection of sound, children. If there is any obstruction only, then you will get a children. If there is any obstruction only, then you will get an echo. And what is the minimum distance, children? You will have to stand from obstruction 17 meters. How I got 17 meters also I showed there. Please see that, children. 17 meters. We'll do 3, 4 small numericals, then you will understand, children. Small numericals, children. All of you see here. First sum. Okay, children, see here. So first some small numerical I will do. Yeah, children, first sum. Children, small numerical. If you know, you can tell me the answer, children. If you know, you can tell me the answer. A radar. Radar is also works on this echo principle. Radar, sonar, all this works on Echo principles and children, is able to detect the reflected sound from enemy's aeroplane after 0.02 millisecond. Try to understand. A radar or sonar is able to detect the sound after 0.02 millisecond. And velocity of waves, you take 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, children. Question is, what is the distance between aeroplane and radar? What is the distance between? From enemy aeroplane, radar will take the signals. So within 0.02 milliseconds you are getting, and speed of the waves is this much. What is the distance between the radar and aeroplane? Same formula, echo formula, children. V is equal
V
to,
is equal to 2D by T.
yeah, V is equal to D by
2D
T.
by T. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters second is equal to 2D by 0.02.
Millisecond.
0.02 goes up on the left hand side.
Wait. So children, 0.02 millisecond. Children, try to understand. Children, directly you should not take millisecond. Children, 0.02 means try to understand. 2 by 100 children if you remove points. This 2 points 2 by 100. Milli means by 1000 children. Milli means by 1000. All of you try to understand. Milli always means by 1000. And these 2 points are also kept. So 2 by 10 to the power of 5 seconds. Okay, children, so here I put 2 by 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5 will go up, 2 to cancel. So 3 into 10 to the power of 8 is equal to 10 to the power of 5 into d. This goes down. D is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 10 to the power of 5.
3
So,
into 10 to the power 3.
so 3000 meters is distance between radar and airplane. Like this questions will come children. Simple sum children, very very simple sum. Though you did not understand, one more sum I will tell children, try to understand. One more sum I will tell, please see here. A boy standing children, see here. So children, a boy is standing in front of a wall at a distance of 85 meters. Children, see this is an obstruction. Here boy is standing and distance of 85 meters. Okay, and he makes two claps per second. He makes two claps per second, children. He notices the sound of his clapping coincides with the echo. The echo is heard only once when clapping is stopped. Calculate the speed of the sound. This is the question. This is the question. Very, very basic questions. Very, very basic questions. So, children, boys at a distance of 85 meters. I told you, 85. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, 85 meters and two claps per second is making, children. Try to understand, children. So normally, what is the children here? What is the frequency of sound, children? Normally, see here, time of the in two claps he is making per second, children. In 1 second, two claps is making per second, children. Okay, so one clap, how much time you will take? Okay, children, two claps is making. Children, since two claps are produced in 1 second, so each clap is produced. So each clap is produced after, so children, cross multiplication. X into 2 is equal to 1 into 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Children, each clap is made after half second. Okay, children. So simple formula, children, again simple formula V is equal to 2D by T. Okay, so V is equal to distance is how much is standing, children? 85. And distance time between two claps is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This 2 will come here. So 4 into 85. 4 5 is 20. 4 8 is 32. 340 meters per second. So children, two claps are made in 1 second. One claps is taking how much second? That is the echo. That is the echo. Because what did I say? I said that he noticed that the sound of his clapping coincides with the echo. So echo is here only after clapping. Stopped. Echo is here only after clapping is stopped. So time of taking means each clap is doing after half second. That I substitute. Those who didn't understand, those who didn't understand, one more sum I will tell children. Basic level sums I will tell children so that you feel comfortable. Basic level sums. Okay, children. Radar sends signals to aeroplane which is at a distance of 300 kilometers with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. After how much time they will get back the sound? Radar is sending signals to airplane. After how much time they will get back the echo?
Sir,
Anyone?
V is equal to 2D by T. So 3
Okay.
into 10 to the power 8 meters per second is equal to 600 by T.
Children, distance is 300 kilometers means into 1000 you should do children. 300 kilometers means children 300 kilometers means into 1000 meters of by time. So this goes up, this goes down children. So time is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 3 gone children, 5 and 5 are gone children. So 2 by 1000, 2 by 1000 is 2 milliseconds. 2 by 1000 is after 2 milliseconds, radar will get the information from airplane. Those who didn't understand, one more sum I will tell children. It's very, very easy sum I will say children. So that children, children, a man is standing 48 meters away from the wall, fires a gun. For he hear after how much time he will hear an echo if the velocity of sound is 320 meters per second. Okay, distance is 48 meters. Okay, okay, Pravalika, are you there?
Yes,
Nana, using echo formula, can you tell me Nana time how to find out?
sir, 320 is equal to
Hmm.
2 into 48 by T.
Very good, Nana. So T you bring and take down. So how much?
T is equal to 2 into 48 by 320.
Okay, so 3 by 10 is after 0.3 seconds, he will hear the echo of a gun. Okay, thank you. Very good. Sujit, are you there? This fellow moved. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sujit, there is a submarine ship. There is a submarine, there is a ship. It is sending the signals and it is getting the signals back after 4 seconds. This ship is sending signals touching the water and coming the signals after 4 seconds. Okay, and find the distance between this and this bottom of the lake. If speed of sound in water is 1450 meter per second. Yeah, Nana? Same. That V is equal to 2D by
T is
T.
equal to 2D by T.
Uh, 1450 is
1450
equal to
is equal to 2, 2 into D by 4.
4 to 2 2 will go up. So D is equal to 2900 meters is the base. So the base is at the distance of 2900 meters is the base. Okay, children, some more sums we'll do later, children. So you please practice these questions, children, and they are very, very important. Try to do echo sums as many as possible. If possible, I will do some more sums in the next class. Thank you, children.